Today I'm making a one-pan meal that is perfect for busy nights. So let's get started. It looks amazing, and the smell, I wish you guys could smell it. We're going to start by putting some Italian dressing just on the bottom of the pan instead of butter or oil. And we'll just cover it. You don't need much. And then I'm going to put in some chicken breasts. Now I have diced these to bite-sized pieces, but you can also put them in cut horizontal or even whole if you like. But I think this is going to be making for a better bite. Make sure all that is even. And I'll put some pepper. Lots of pepper. And some, you can use salt, but I'm going to use herb and garlic, Mrs. Dash. Now there's going to be a lot of seasonings in this dish with the other ingredients that I'm using, so I'm not going to use a lot of seasonings. I'm going to set this aside. And now we're going to make our mixture to go over top of it. So I'm going to be using stovetop stuffing. This is going to be just a no-name brand. I grew up eating this as a kid, and I'm still eating it because I love it. Just dump the whole bag in there. And then I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes. Now these ones have green pepper, celery, and onion, but you don't need that. You can just have the diced tomatoes. And I did drain them. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. And we'll give it a good mix. Actually, I'm going to add more Italian dressing as well. Just a little bit, just to make it moist. You can add more after you mix it. I'm just going to see how it goes right now. It honestly smells so good. Okay, I think I might just use a little bit more. And that should be good. Just until it all sticks together. All right, perfect. Set that aside. Bring back my chicken. And I'm just going to put this whole mixture on top of my chicken. Make sure it's all covered. Oh, this is going to be an amazing dinner, you guys. It's so simple, and it's pretty inexpensive. I know everything costs a lot these days. That is why I'm buying no-name stuff. Like that. And then I'll just put the rest of the cheese on here. Now I'm going to put this in a 350 oven uncovered for about 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is all cooked through. And then I will stick it under the broiler for a couple minutes just to make sure everything gets nice and browned on top. So I will be back. Well, here it is, guys. It looks amazing. And the smell, I wish you guys could smell it. All right, let's taste this. The chicken is very tender, and the stuffing and the cheese is like, it's so nice and crispy. Very hot. Oh my God. So good. You guys gotta try this. Let me know if you try it. See you next time.